Hello everybody, you're here with your boy AP, and today we're taking a look at how to do the perfect crackling on pork. This is going to be a two-part series. You're going to see this is the prep. So the first thing you do is you've got to have paper towels. So you start drying the top of the meat. You got to, as you can see there, you got to get that moisture. It's all about the moisture. There's not much moisture there, but you never can tell. Give that a dry up too. It's got a bone in that part there, you just cut it away when it's cooked. That's your big piece. So what I do now, get one of these. It has got some scorn in there, but what I like to do, like that, like that. Very, very sharp. You can see there, there's no. Then you go across like that. This is just how I do it, right? Now you got that there like that. Normally, since there's a bloody bone there, it'd be a bit hard to add rub. Can I get rid of that bone? I'll just leave it actually. It's simple stuff. Get your salt. Right. Massage it in. Get it in the cracks. Okay. Piece it all back together. Salt is there. See what this is going to do now, it's going to withdraw all the moisture that was left in it. Just wash my hands. And that's now going to sit in the fridge for 24 hours, uncovered. And that's pretty much it. Then I'll re-salt it again before I cook it. And we'll see you in part 2 when we cook the pork belly.